Welcome to my unboxing of the new Huion Kamvas 16 Pro 2.5K drawing tablet. This is a new model packed with lots of different features for digital artists, etc., or for me as a photographer using Photoshop and Lightroom. This arrived about a week ago, but I wanted to do a quick unboxing. So it's been killing me because it's been sealed in its box for a week, but now I get to open it. So here it is, and I need something to open it with. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, excuse me. All right. So this will be the tablet itself, which we'll have a look at in a moment. See what else is in here. We have a stand. Lots of little boxes in here. Take all these out. So we've got some cables, etc. Let's get these out. This must be the stylus. So we have power. In the UK it's 3-pin. Okay, an assortment of USB-A, HDMI. This must be an extender of some description. USB-A to USB-C, USB-C to USB-C. Got plenty of cables. And here, so it's the holder for the stylus, and inside are some spare nibs, as you'll see there. Pop that there. Oh, I see. I've never used one of these. This, I'm not sure what they call it, but this goes on like that, so that when you're working, there's no false activation. So it thinks it's the stylus. I think that's what it's for anyway. So in here we have the stylus. So it's very nice. Yeah, the material's very nice. In here, I don't know what this is. Let's have a look. Oh, cleaning cloth and some instructions. Alright, so this is the stand. Everything's very well packaged, I must say. Okay, so there's the instructions. I think what happens is you pull this out of here and then should really look at the instructions, shouldn't I? Okay. Right. Ah, there we go. And then you drop that down like so. Now let's open the tablet itself. So the difference between this and my XP pen is that this is also a screen. So this connects to my Mac and it effectively becomes a third monitor that I can actually draw directly onto. So it's different to the normal tablets where it's more hand-eye coordination because you're drawing here and over there is your screen. This one, you're drawing directly onto it. Yeah, looks very nice. So I'm looking forward to giving this a try actually. So I've got buttons on the side. I've got this the right way round, I'm not sure. No. Ah, that way around. Yeah. Yeah, for a right-hander that's correct. Buttons on the left. And you're drawing with your right. I do like that. I'll just need to figure out for the next video where all these wires go and which is the best, because I'm assuming you should really only need USB-C, one would assume, rather than the rest of them. But stay tuned, I will use this and I will film a review of how I get on, but looking forward to giving it a try. So if you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you've got any questions, drop them in below, and please subscribe because it really helps the channel. See you next